Hello, my name is Shantanu Pandey. I am legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today I am going to talk about impeachment of president in India with procedure. In India, the process of impeachment, the president is outlined in the constitution under Article 61. However, it is important to note that the president of India can only be impeached on a specific ground and through a specific procedure. Here are the key details. First, the ground of impeachment. The president can be impeached on the ground of violating the constitution, gross misconduct, or willful violation of any law. The specific ground are mentioned in Article 61 of India. Notice of motion to initiate the impeach process. A notice of motion of president impeachment must be signed by at least 1/4 of the total member of the either house of the parliament, Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha. Charges and investigation. The notice of motion must specify the charges against the president. After the notice is submitted, it is examined by the speaker, chairman and the concerned house. If the speaker and chairman finds the charges to be substantial, an investigation committee is formed to look into the charges. Investigation committee. The investigation committee consists of 3 members: the Chief Justice of India and judges of Supreme Court and a judge of Chief Justice of a High Court and a distinguished jurist nominated by the President. The committee investigate the charges and present its finding to the Parliament. Resolution of impeachment. After considering the committee finding, the Parliament can pass a resolution for impeachment of the President. The resolution must be supported by the specific majority, which means it required a majority of the total member of each house, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and the 2/3 majority of members presenting and voting. Joint sitting. If the resolution is passed in either house of the parliament, it is then sent to the other house. If the resolution is passed by both the house, a joint sitting is convened where a member of both the house vote on the impeachment. Again, a specific majority is required for the resolution to be successful. Removal from the office. If the impeachment resolution is adopted by the special majority in the joint sitting, the president is considered impeached and the office declared vacant from the date of such resolution. It is important to note that the impeachment process of the India in Indian complex high political procedure. As of the knowledge cut off the September 2021, no president of India has been impeached since the adoption of the constitution in 1950. Thank you. For any doubt, let us know through comments.